Hi guys, this is Aggy. So today I'm going to show you guys a neat no filter makeup tutorial that I've been showing you guys pictures on my Instagram. So this is half of my face done, so if you're interested, continue to watch on. So I'm just going to start with my base makeup for step 1. So these are the products that I use in this tutorial, so I just mix them together and apply it all over my face. So in this tutorial, I actually used Sigma Beauty's flat kabuki brush to apply the base makeup all over my face. So this helps my face to look poreless and smooth so that the rest of my makeup will actually look flawless. So the next step is to apply concealer, and I will be using Witch Pouch Selfie Perfect Concealer to conceal my dark eye circles. I find that using a cushion puff is actually a lot better to press in the concealer so that it actually blends really well with my foundation. For this look, we really want the eyebrows to look really natural, so I'm going to line my eyebrows stroke by stroke with this eyebrow pen. So in this makeup tutorial, I'll be using a lot of this eyeshadow palette from Etude House. This is the Neat Closet palette. So I'm just going to shade my eyebrows to make it look more natural. So next up, I'm just going to apply eyeshadow, and I'm just using my finger. So this is a really light shade that goes really well as an eyeshadow base color. I'm going to apply this shade all over my eyelids, and it's really okay if you apply it near to your eyebrows too. So again, from the same palette, I'm just going to use a darker brown shade, and this time around, I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyelid. To give more depth, I'm just going to use a heavier touch on the outer corner of my eyelids, but then when it goes to the middle, I'm just going to go lighter. Next up is my favorite, is applying eyeliner. So I'm using Fenty Beauty's Flyliner Long Wear Eyeliner. So in this look, I really want my eyes to stand out, but looking not so heavy at the same time. So I'm just going to use really light and simple touches and strokes for my eyeliner. So as you can see, I start from the outer corner of my eyes and I go really light to the center. And then from the center, I will join it all the way to the inner corner of my eyes. Now I really want you guys to take note that at this part, I actually thickened the line to make my eyes pop. Now using the same darker brown shade that I used before, I'm just going to go over my lower eyelids, and this actually helps to create a frame to the eye. Next step, I'm just going to use again the same shade to contour, and this helps me to create an illusion of a higher nose bridge. Now I really want a triangular and high looking nose, so I'm just going to go onto the side of my nose, which I've not done before, to show you guys to shadow it and to push the nose to make it look like it's really upright and really sharp. But of course, don't forget to blend. For highlighting, I'm just going to use the lightest shade on this palette to go over my nose bridge and also to highlight my forehead. And of course, not forgetting my cheekbones. Next up, I'm going to apply mascara, and this is my favorite mascara of all time, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and I apply it at the top and bottom lashes. Now to complete my eye makeup, I'm going to apply Makeup Store eyeliner on the top waterline. Now I found this is a really good trick for me to have a really soft smoky eye effect, so I'm going to use a really darker brown of shade to line over the eyeliner line that I drew earlier on, and this really makes the eyes pop. Next up, applying blusher. I'm going to use Kiko Fall Blush Living in Red. I'm just going to go on the outer corner of my face in a C shape. So this blush is really pigmented, so I'm just gonna go really light. Now because I got really thin lips, so I'm gonna use 3CE lip marker in red to line my lips. And then, of course, to apply lip color, which is the Etude House Dear Darling tint in BR401. I really love this coral shade that's so wearable for your everyday look. Yay, we're almost done! To set my makeup, I'm going to use Cezanne UV Clear Face Powder and a big fluffy brush. Now apply it all over your face and don't forget to tap out the excess. Ta-da! We're done! Now I really like this look, and I've been wearing this on an everyday basis now for work and for events. Now I really hope that this video is not difficult to follow, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me on YouTube. Thanks for watching, goodbye!